I'm gonna probably save for a minute and get some more before I hit the road.
That was the most terrible throw I've ever taken in my life. Lou!
What? I don't feel like it. Yep, you too. This is what I do when I'm sitting on my porch. Right. Yep. This is 4th of July here. I better watch out. Pete's gonna run me over. Drive safe, Paul. I didn't get no warnings on this thing, but sure. Oh, tornado sign. I heard a tornado sign, like some sort of sign. Oh, I bet. You don't have this building right here. Right. Right. Like if I had my car parked the other way, I'd probably sit in my car and just watch this. Right? Yeah, I post this stuff on YouTube, and I wouldn't believe how many views I get off this shit. Yeah. They're probably like saying, you didn't take these pictures. I'm like, no, I recorded it. It's better that way. If you record this shit, you got some money. Maybe. If they're good enough. Yeah, it was over there. Now it's over here. Now, if you post this stuff on Fox 8 and you bring a video to them, they'll generally show it of your phone recording on TV, which is pretty cool. I'm just waiting for like one nice little bolt and I'm gonna head out. Yep. Yep, see ya.